Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to use a music sticker for your Instagram stories. Now let's get started. First we need to open Instagram app. Here we need to tap on creating at the top and select story. Then we should upload photo or video from your device or just use your camera. For example, I will choose this one. Now we need to click on stickers at the top. Then we should scroll down and find sticker which is called music and click on it. Here we see plenty of options. We can find music in option for you and browse. And if you saved music previously, you can tap on saved and choose song from your savings. And also we can do a research. For example, I will do a research. When you selected the song, tap on it. Next, you can select what part of the song you would like to play over your story. Slide the track horizontally to adjust the selected part. You can also adjust how many seconds are selected by tapping the default number at the left corner. For example, I will choose 10 seconds. If you want to change the view of the sticker, just tap on it. If you finished, click on Done at the top right corner and post it like a usual story. That's all. It was how to use the music sticker for Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.